How to cancel a transfer on Remitly. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, you want to go ahead and simply open the Remitly application in your mobile device. Once you open the application, you want to go ahead and simply log in or sign up to your account. Once logged in, you want to go ahead and simply tap on the home screen right over here, and here you will see a list of your recent transfer. Find the transfer you would like to cancel and then tap onto it to open the transfer details. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the transfer detail page and you'll see an option that says cancel transfer. Tap onto it and next confirm by choosing yes cancel. So you'll be asked to select a reason for canceling. Pick the one that fits best and finally tap on submit to confirm the cancellation. After that, you can check the refund details to see when and how you would like to get your money back. Usually it goes back to your original payment method. And that's it guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.